You just flew out in reverse onto this public road when I'm trying to exit and strap up my helmet. What?
You were sitting because I heard you. You were sitting back there.
Yeah, I stopped because you flew out in reverse.
No.
Yeah.
No,
I got you on camera, bud.
I stopped and I listened.
Alright.
I was sitting there, you went by, and you stopped and you sat there.
Yeah.
And I was waiting, I listened. Why'd you just stop and just sit there?
Am I not allowed to enjoy the park and read the signs?
Am I not allowed to?
No, of course you are, sir.
Okay, so why are you basically just...
Okay, so here, 35, I think might change to 35, like west, east-west maybe, and that's what it says. Looks like... Shit. What just happened? Whoa! Oh my god! Ooh.
Person ran the red light at this, stop light. Where was that? I don't remember, but you could use Azure Search to comb the data and present it to you in a certain way. Like that's next level for an MSP. That's where an MSP is going to really differentiate themselves, down the road. But you can't get to step 3, to PAS, let's say, without first committing to IaaS.
Fucking Christ, man.
Γιατί είναι δικός ο δρόμος, ρε. Γιατί είναι δικός ο δρόμος. Τι με συντέζα, ρε. Τι θέλεις, ρε μαλάκα. Τι θέλεις. Τι θες. Τι θες. Τι θες. Τι θες. Γιατί δικός είναι ο δρόμος. Δικός είναι. Έλα σου πάω να είναι δικός σου. Που είναι δικός ο δρόμος. Πού είναι δικός ο δρόμος. Πού είναι δικός ο δρόμος, ρε. Πού είναι δικός ο δρόμος.
Ρε φίλε, όταν λέμε πήγαινε μπροστά.
Πού είναι δικός ο δρόμος.
Oh, pass there, mate. Aye. Mate, you shouldn't be parked there. It's a cycle path and a footpath. And you've driven on the pavement.
Start having tax and insurance and dates on your bike, I'll give you full respect. I think I'm
Mate.
that at the moment.
Well, it don't matter. You don't pay for tax on the pavement. And actually, I do have a car. I have more than one car, and I do pay more than one insurance and one tax. So you've driven on the pavement, you parked on the pavement, and you're blocking the footpath.
I'm looking at a lovely monument.
Yeah, well, I agree with that, mate. Do you know what I mean?
Oh god.
Oh god, that was close.
Oh my god.
Shit.